Hello everyone, today we will be discussing the remaining problems of exercise 6.3 chapter number 6 triangles. So we can start with question number 13. D is a point on the side BC of a triangle ABC such that angle ADC equal to angle BAC. ADC, this angle is equal to angle BAC, this one. Okay, that is given in the question. You have to show that CA square is equal to CB into CD. So in the question the figure is not given. We have to draw a triangle in such a manner that D is a point on the side BC. So D, we have taken a point on BC and we are just joining these two so that we have to mark the angles, corresponding angles to be equal given in the question. Okay. Now first what we will do is we are just taking the two triangles in which the angles are given to be equal. That is, we will take the triangles ADC and BAC and we will show that the two triangles are similar so that we can just take the ratio or the proportionality of the corresponding sides and reach this result. Okay, so first we will start with taking the two triangles, considering the two triangles ADC and triangle BAC. So that will be, from here it is clear which all triangles you have to consider. Okay, now what all concept we have from the two triangles? One thing is given, that is angle ADC is equal to angle BAC. That is given. Another thing is angle C is common to both the triangles. So you can see, say angle C is equal to angle C, which is common to both the triangles. So from AA criterion, AA similarity criterion, you can say that the two triangles are similar. Okay, therefore by AA similarity, triangle ADC is similar to triangle ABC. So from this we can just say which all sides correspondingly we need in the question, those we can take. So you have AC and AC in both the thing, and then CB or BC and CD. Okay, so if I am taking AC, just see, sorry, this is your triangle BAC. Okay, if I am taking AC, I have to take BC from the other triangle, and if I want CD, that is DC, if I want CD, I have to take AC like this, right? So we will take the ratio as DC by AC, sorry, DC by AC is equal to what you will get, AC by BC. Okay, now we have to just cross multiply so that we get the CA square or AC square. So cross multiplying, you will get AC into AC, which is same as CA into CA, is equal to DC into BC. Accordingly, we can just adjust, that is AC square is equal to CD into CB, or AC square can be written as CA square is equal to CD into CB. And what is the reason behind this? That is, since the two triangles are similar, the corresponding sides will be proportional. So what all sides we need, those we have taken. Okay. Question number 14 is, sides AB, AC and median AD of a triangle ABC are respectively proportional to the sides PQ, PR and median PM of another triangle PQR. Show that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So we are drawing two triangles so that the concept which is given, AD is the median, we are taking a point D on PC so that AD is median, and M on QR so that PM is the median. Okay, so first what we are doing is we are having a construction which is, since D is the AD is median, that means D is the midpoint of BC. From this midpoint we are just constructing a line parallel to AC, which is ED, and it is touching at E on AB. Okay, now according to your converse of midpoint theorem, you can say that E, or you can say this line will be bisecting the third side. So E will act as the midpoint of AB. Similarly, we are just drawing or constructing a parallel line to PR from M, which is again PM is the median, so M is the midpoint of QR. From M we are drawing a parallel SM, which is touching at S on PQ. So we can again say that by the converse we will get that this S will be the midpoint of PQ. That means this line SM bisects the third side PQ. Now again we have ED will be half of AC and SM will be half of PR also. So this much we are having. Now why we are doing this is, first our purpose will be to show that these two triangles are similar. The smaller triangles which we are constructing and getting, those two triangles are made to be or shown to be similar. Okay. So first part is construction. For constructing, what we are doing? Draw ED parallel to AC and SM parallel to PR. Okay, this is our construction. Now according to, since you have ED parallel to AC and since D is the midpoint of BC, why it is a midpoint? Because AD is acting as the median. Okay, so you have D is the midpoint of BC, and together with this concept you will get by the converse of BPT, by the converse of midpoint theorem, you will have E is the midpoint of AC, or this line ED bisects the third side AB. Okay, and you will have the concept ED is half of AC. Similarly, for the other triangle also you will get, SM is half of PR. Now what is given in the question? AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR is equal to AD by PM. Given AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR is equal to AD by PM is given in the question. Now we are just, these first two fractions we are just replacing the values. That is AB can be written as 2AE. Okay, since E is the midpoint, you can just write AB as 2AE divided by PQ can be written as, similarly you can say S is the midpoint, you will get PQ can be written as 2PS equal to, again AC can be written as, from here you can find out what is AC equal to. AC is 2ED and PR is 2SM. Okay, so that also we are replacing AC and PR with 2ED by 2SM is equal to AD by PM is written as such. Okay, so that this 2 will get cancelled and you will get the fraction as, what you will get? This will be AE by PS is equal to ED by SM is equal to AD by PM. Okay, this is the fraction which you are getting, and from this, that is, you just see AE by PS, ED by SM, AD by PM. That means the three sides correspondingly are proportional. Therefore, by SSS similarity, you will get the two triangles. Which two triangles? AED similar to triangle PSM. Okay, now why we are doing? In order to get certain angles to be equal. Now since these two are similar, we can say that the corresponding angles will be equal. Corresponding sides are equal already. Now corresponding sides will be equal, so that I can say that this angle will be equal to this one, right? This angle will be equal to this. This will be equal to this. So I need actually this angle, because my purpose is to show that this triangle is similar to this triangle. That's why I'm going for this angle. Okay, so I can say that suppose this is 1 and this is 3. I can say that angle 1 is equal to angle 3, since corresponding angles are equal. Okay, So that is the reason behind it. Now similarly, if you consider the other way, okay, another thing that is parallel, like parallel line from this to AB and parallel line like from M to PQ, again you can just prove the same concept and reach the concept that this angle is equal to this one, that is, suppose this is 2 and this is 4, you can say that you will get angle 2 is equal to angle 4. So I am just writing similarly angle 2 will be equal to angle 4. Now what we are doing is we are adding these two. Okay, so adding, suppose this is 1, this is 2, 1 plus 2 will give you angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle 3 plus angle 4. What is angle 1 plus angle 2? It is angle A. That means you are getting angle A is equal to angle P. Okay, now you just consider the whole triangle, that is ABC and PQR. In triangle ABC, you have AB by PQ, AB by PQ, which is given, is equal to, again you have AC by PR, AC by PR, and in between angle is your angle A and angle P. That means from your SAS similarity criteria, you can say that the two triangles ABC and PQR will be equal. Okay, you have AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR and angle A equal to angle P. So from these two combinations or from these two concepts you will get by SAS similarity you get triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Okay. Question number 15th is, a vertical pole of length 6 meter casts a shadow 4 meter long on the ground, and at the same time a tower casts a shadow 28 meter long. Find the height of the tower. So we have constructed two triangles so that AB is the vertical pole, AB is the pole and PQ is the tower taken. Okay, PQ is taken as a tower. So height of the pole is given to be 6 centimeter and height of the tower we need to find out. So we are just taking it as H meters. Okay, let it be H meters. And then they are saying that the shadow of the vertical pole is 4. So that we have taken as BC as 4, and the tower casts a shadow 28 meter, which has been taken as QR. Okay, so what the concept which we should know is the angle of the sun. If sun is there, this angle of the sun at the same time they have given. So for the same instant, for the same time, the angle of the sun with respect to the ground, angle of the sun with respect to the ground will be same for both, will be equal for both. That means I have marked it as theta. So I can say that this angle and this angle will be same and let it be theta. Okay, and using this concept and these two are vertical, that means here you have 90 degree for both the things, that is tower as well as the pole, both are subtending an angle of 90 degree. So you will get, or you can prove that the two triangles are similar, and by that similarity concept you can just take the ratios to be equal and find out what is height of the tower. Okay, so first what we are doing is let H meter be the height of the tower, and it's not necessary that you take theta, but you should know that both the angles are same. Okay, and let theta be the angle subtended by the sun with the ground. Okay, with the ground. So we are now considering the triangle ABC and triangle PQR. What is our purpose? To show that the two triangles are similar. So for that we can take angle ABC is equal to angle PQR, which is equal to 90 degree, and angle ACB equal to angle PRQ equal to, we have taken theta common for both, so that angle is common. Okay, so from these two, that is by AA similarity, you can say that the triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Now since they are similar, the corresponding sides will be equal. So which are the corresponding sides which we need? That means the known and the unknown part should come. Okay, so we can say AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR. Okay, which implies what is AB? AB is 6, PQ is taken as H, BC is 4 and QR is 28, which implies 4H is equal to 28 into 6, or H is equal to 28 into 6 by 4, which will give you 42 meters. Therefore, the height of the tower is 42 meter. Height of the tower is equal to 42 meter. Okay. 16th question is, if AD and PM are medians of triangle ABC and PQR respectively, where triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, you have to prove that AB by PQ is equal to AD by PM. For that, we have to draw two triangles so that AD and PM are medians of the triangle ABC and PQR respectively, and these two are given to be similar. You have to get AB by PQ is equal to AD by PM. So in order to get this ratio, our first purpose is to show that this triangle and this triangle both are similar. Okay, so we will start with the concept which is given. Since triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, what you can say, the corresponding sides will be proportional and corresponding angles will be equal. So I am just taking this angle will be equal to this angle because that will be contained in this triangle. That's why we are taking only this triangle. Okay, so we can say that angle ABC is equal to angle PQR. Since the two triangles are similar, we get this concept. And again, we will get the ratio AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR, right? Now, why we are taking only these two ratios? Because we are just restricting our bond to this triangle. Okay, so we don't need this third side's proportionality. That's why we are taking only these two, and that BC should be reduced to BD and QR should be reduced to QM. Okay, so here if I am multiplying the ratio with the same number, multiplying and dividing, that is multiplying the numerator as well as the denominator with the same number, there is no change in the fraction. So what I am doing is I am writing AB by PQ as such because that is one of the side of the required triangle, and I am just taking this as, that is multiplying the numerator and denominator with half. Now since D is acting as a midpoint, because AD is the median, D will be the midpoint of BC. So instead of half BC, I can write BD, right? Instead of half BC, I can just replace it with BD, and instead of half QR, I can write it as QM. So what I am getting is AB by PQ is equal to BD by QM, and already we have got that this angle is equal to this angle. So by SAS similarity, we can say that the two triangles, that is ABD, is similar to triangle PQM. So for that, first we will consider the two triangles and then correspondingly write the sides and angles which are equal. Okay, consider triangle ABD and triangle PQM. Here what you have? We have AB by PQ is equal to BD by QM, and one more thing which we have is you can just write angle B equal to angle Q also, because if you write like this, you have to write ABD and PQM otherwise. Okay, so these two concepts will give you by SAS similarity triangle, which all triangles? Triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQM. Now from this similarity concept, you can just see which sides will be proportional. AB by PQ will be equal to BD by QM equal to AD by PM. Okay, therefore AB by PQ equal to, the requirement of the question says that after that we need only this ratio. So we are just writing AD by PM, since the corresponding sides are proportional for similar triangles. Okay, clear?